How to make a website with Hostgator. Now, before we start, make sure to check out this video description if you want to get a huge discount on any Hostgator plans. Now, what you're gonna have to do in order to make a website with Hostgator is simply go to hostgator.com and then you're gonna have to simply click on website builder. Now, as you can see, you're gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna have to simply log into your account. So in order to create an account, you're gonna have to simply go to hosting and then simply choose any of the uh, available options. So as you can see, you have shared hosting and then you have dedicated hosting. So simply choose any of these. Basically, this will help us, will help our website run, because you're gonna need a hosting plan in order to make your website visible to anyone and be able to publish it on the web. So I suggest you to go with the lowest one, but don't forget to use the link in this video description because you're gonna get a huge discount. Then simply enter your domain name, so your website domain name. Then simply create your account. So you're gonna have to enter your email address, password, and then simply enter your billing info. And then here you're gonna have to simply enter the coupon code that you're gonna find it in this video description, and then simply check out. Now, after you pay for this plan, what you're gonna have to go is simply go back and then go to the website builder and then simply build your website. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.